to show you how to use the fog machine. Let's just get started. Step 1. Filling the fog tank with disinfectant solution with the rubber. Like so. So guys, step 2 is first we're going to be plugging this in. Let's plug it in. And now step 3. Oh yeah, step 2. Okay, we're going to be pressing this to number 1. And then now we will wait 3 to 5 minutes until this red thing lights up. So be right back in 3 to 5 minutes. Bye! So after this lights up, we're going to be flicking the switch into 2. And after that, we're going to rotate the timing control to come out the mist. Don't smell. That's it, guys. Please subscribe and like for more videos. I'm Macey.
And I'm Kela. Please press the notification bell for our daily videos.
Bye!